In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on YouTube search history. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app, then tap at your profile picture and then select your data in YouTube. If you do it the first time, it may ask you to enter your username and password, so actually the email and the password to get into Google account settings, and then you will be able to scroll down, and that's where you should find YouTube search history. As you can see, it is now turned to off. That's because I turned it off manually. And then if you want YouTube to save your search history, you can just hit where it says off, and on the next step you will be able to turn it on. Just hit at that button, then scroll down until turn on button becomes active, then just tap on it. Then hit at got it. As you can see, I have just turned on YouTube search history. Also, right from here, you can set up auto delete YouTube search history. Just get into it, then switch it to auto delete activity older than, and you will be able to select 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. And also you can get into manage history and then delete any watch or search history in that simple way, just by hitting at that cross icons. Also from here you can bulk delete search history. You can just tap where it says delete and then select delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. So you can just tap at delete today to delete all today's activity, including search and watch history, from your YouTube profile. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.